Okay, we're going to power on the laser, push and hold the power button. It'll take a few minutes, or I guess a few seconds to boot up. And the way that the laser works is all just by a touch screen. It's just like your cell phone. All the menu items are going to be right here, and you're just going to touch them with your finger. So when it first loads up, there's a password. It's just 1234. Nothing too fancy. So let's wait for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sign in. Okay, so here is the main menu. You are going to go to this one here, Mode Select. And right here, you're actually probably going to use both of these. So let's just start with the preset mode. This is what you're going to be doing for before and after your operation. So you can see right here, pre-op and post-op. So if if I touch pre-op, and then it pulls up the program for this specific function. So you can see it'll run for 4 minutes, and I'll just hit the start button, and then you see the laser turn on here, and then you can pause or stop just by touching the screen. Pretty straightforward. I'll go back to this. When I hit back, it just takes me to the main screen again. Mode select, preset mode. You have the pre-operation, so this is what you're going to do around your hip up until the operation. This one's after the operation, post-op. And then the other one down here is lipo, so that's the fat burning setting that I told you about. I'll hit that one. It is pre-programmed in here at 12 minutes. But I did mention you need to hold it in one spot for 20 minutes for the best result. So I don't know why they have it at 12, but you'll need to, when it's over, start it up for a little while to get to 20 minutes if you do the lipo setting. And you can do that anywhere on your body. You can spot reduce, your arms or your legs or whatever you want. The other menu selection is right here. It's protocol. So these are things that I have entered in specific frequencies for. So you can see there's 10 of them here. And if I go to next, this is a little different than what you're going to see on your laser, but you have most of the main ones in here. So you have a pain setting, chronic issue setting, brain, liver. Here's one for plantar fasciitis. So you have the freedom to kind of jump around and use it in different ways. If you want to keep it real simple, you can just put it on this chronic setting anywhere that it hurts, and you just laser the heck out of it. The one that I want to highlight for you here is the brain setting. It's one you guys do on yourself every day, and do it on the kids too. So it just runs, it's a 2-minute cycle. And what you're looking to do with the kids is to have it just right behind the left ear. You don't have to actually touch it to the body whenever you're lasering an area. You can just kind of hold it near it. Or if it's more comfortable, you can just rest right up against it. So here's what I mean. You can laser something from a distance, or you can put it right on there and just hold it throughout the whole program. So it's pretty straightforward. Don't worry about doing it wrong. You can't really do this wrong. And if you have any questions, you can just text message me directly at the office number anytime over the weekend or whenever it is, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.